First, remember that every time Edge browser is being updated automatically, you'll have a new tab saying browser was updated. You want to open the task manager, press down Ctrl Alt Delete at the same time, three keys, and check if WebView was restarted. It may restart after some Edge browser automatic updates. So you want to repeat the whole process if you see that WebView is running again. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, first thing you need to do is look at the comment section and search for the setup.exe command line. Copy it on a document on your desktop. So use maybe Word or text document. Copy this line to have it ready and open that document. Then we are going to hover here over the sign, Windows sign, and right click of the mouse, right button, and make sure you select exactly the folders that I'm going to say, because there are several names of folders which look similar, but you need to select precisely. For instance, here select the admin command prompt, not the other one. So command prompt admin, left mouse click, and then say yes at the small window. It should look about like this. Then open a file explorer. Let me close these folders. We are going to, so you see the entire process correctly. So go to your local disk, maybe a different letter, but it says local disk, expand. Then go to program files xxxxx, not the other one, program files xxxxx, expand. Then go to Microsoft folder, expand. Then go to Edge WebView, not the other Edge here, Edge WebView, expand. Go to application, expand. Here you are going to see a completely different number. Do not use this number. Use the number that you find in your folder, and also this number will always change. So if you do the entire process again, you will have a different number. You need to use the number that you will see at that moment in your folder. Okay, so now we are going to expand this folder, and we are going to go to the installer folder and click on it with left mouse button. You will see possibly different files here, but you should see a setup.exe file. Remember this. Now go with the mouse on this empty space here, not over these names, over the empty area. Click with the left button. It's going to look like this. Hover with the mouse until you see this T sign, not this arrow, this T sign. Right click, select copy. Then you may close this, and we are going to go here and type. Use your keyboard, type, it doesn't matter small or caps, but prefer small, CD space. At this moment grab the mouse, right button click, only the right button, only one click, and make sure it did paste with your number. Again, do not use this number, and do not you put this command on a file, save it. It's going to be a number that's different every single time you are going to use this process. So check again, it's CD space and what you paste. At this moment, please pay attention. I think there are people who are a bit in a rush and don't pay attention. Do not press anything else. Leave it, it must blink like this. Do not touch enter or anything on your keyboard. Toast this prompt and go to your Windows browser, not Windows, Edge browser. So we are going to close the Edge browser first. Close it completely. Any kind of tabs, if you have more than one tabs, make sure you did close it. Then on your keyboard, press down 3 keys, Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time. It's going to open the task manager. I'll try to do it for you, but it's not going to record this. So Control Alt on the left corner and K delete at the same time. It's going to show several options. You may not see this in the video. Select Task Manager with the button on the mouse. It's going to open this window. Select processes here. It's by default usually. First, make sure there is no Edge browser tab open. If there is one, right mouse button and just close it and task if there is, but it should be anyone. Now scroll down until you see Microsoft Edge WebView. Left button on the mouse to select it is going to look blue, and then hover with the mouse, right button, select end task. It should disappear like this. There is one remaining. You may see more than two, maybe 3 or 4, but you are going to repeat for each one the same process. So left mouse to select it, right, and by the way, I think, yeah, careful, you click right with the pointer over it, right end task, so you don't end other processes, right? Try not to end some other processes because it may disrupt your computer. Anyway, once you finish ending all Edge WebView, check again. There is no Edge WebView running and no Edge browser running. You can close this, and then we come back to this command prompt. Notice it say administrator, right? It has to say. It's still blinking here. At this point, press enter on your keyboard. Wait, I will need to, don't press, wait at this point, just pause. I need to grab my command. You are going to grab your setup.exe command from your file, so from your document file. But I don't have a document. I should have made a document file. My mistake. I'm going to grab it from here. So I'm going to say copy. So at this moment in the video, you don't open your browser. You just go on your document file and copy the setup.exe command without opening Edge browser. I just have to make sure again that I don't have Edge view. Okay, it started. Okay, so no Edge browser process and no WebView process running. Okay, so once you get that setup.exe command from your document file or text file, come back to administrator command prompt, and only now, I repeat, press enter here. It's going to look like this. It's going to go in the folder with the installer. At this moment, you did already, or if you didn't, at this moment, copy that setup.exe command from your text document or Word or anything. Copy it and go here with the mouse and right click on the mouse. It's going to paste the setup.exe command, and it's going to look like this. Just one right click, then press enter to execute this command. At this moment, hopefully everything went smooth. You may click the command prompt, and what you want to do is go on the Windows, and I think it's a right click, shut down, and select restart. You are going to reboot your computer. If you have other applications, you may close them, but make sure you reboot your Windows computer. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to film this or record the screen, but once you reboot your computer, you should not see. You may go ahead and start the Edge browser, and you should not see the WebView process running any longer.